Welcome back to my channel again. Easy Web Tutorial Hub, where you get everything that has to do with money making online, tech, tutorial, and so many other things that have to do with the online space, which is web. All right, so that's why it's called Easy Web Tutorial Hub. We make everything easy for you how to make money online. Whenever we try out things that work out, we try to share with you here. All right, so in case you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then you hit the notification bell icon. You comment about the video in case you have any loopholes, something that I'm trying to act as setback. You just make a comment and we reply immediately. All right, so in this tutorial we're going to be teaching you how you can make money from affiliate marketing, all right, using free traffic as a student without a website. All right, so here is a graphical design, sorry, a pictorial representation of what we're trying to say in case you're new today to affiliate totally. All right, in case you're new to affiliate totally, here these are the companies. All right, affiliate marketing is a simple thing that has to do with you being a middleman, all right, selling products created by someone differently, someone an entity or organization. You're selling it to an audience which can't reach them directly. They're not even aware they are creating those stuff, but you as an intermediate, all right, you as a middleman, you try to connect the two of them. Whenever you sell this product, you make your own money. All right, here are the companies by the right and the customers by the left. You as a middleman, which is the affiliate, whenever you connect these two people, right, whenever you connect them, you will make your own money from it. Okay, you start making your cool cash without doing anything. You could use free or paid traffic, but in this regards we're going to be using free traffic. Okay, we're going to be using free traffic in this regards, and I'm going to be showing you some of the websites you can promote your affiliate offers and make money online without hassles. All right, so you are the middleman and the affiliate, and whenever you do this, you make a whole lot of dollars from this. Okay, whenever you connect these two people, the commission you get is your pay. All right, these are passive income because while you are sleeping, so long your affiliate link is active, you will keep making money from this platform. All right, you keep making money from affiliate platform. All right, but we're gonna be choosing affiliate platform like ClickBank, Warrior Plus. Though Warrior Plus involve payment, and I think it's not worth it. Like, well, I'm not trying to condemn them. They're not. They are good, and so many other persons are making a whole lot of money from um Warrior Plus. All right, so I will always advise you go for Amazon Associate. All right, Amazon Associate. If you have a website, you don't have a website, it still works for you. All right, okay. So like this company product, you sell it to your customers who are in need of the company product or anything. It could be clothing or so many other things. All right, it could be clothing or so many other things. Could be clothing or so many other things, like I said. All right, so when you link them up and they buy these products, you get paid for the products they buy through your affiliate link. All right, so each affiliate or each intermediate or the middleman has their unique affiliate link that is monitored for the whole month or maybe the whole day. It depends on the payout. All right, depends on their threshold, and you should also endeavor to promote your affiliate link the right way. Okay, promote your affiliate link the right way. All right, so apart from that, we're going to be mentioning three websites here where you can actually promote your affiliate link without website. You don't need to own a website. All right, you don't need to own a website. So I'm going to be showing you these three websites where you should promote your affiliate links. All right, okay, here the first on our list is Facebook, and the next is Medium, and the third should be Quora. All right, the next should be Quora. All right, like as you can see, Facebook happens to be one of the most popular social media worldwide. All right, when you can take charge of these three websites, you are on your way to making a whole lot of dollars commissions. You earn your commissions. All right, these are the most popular. They are the most popular websites. All right, Medium has over 80 something domain authority. It means that whenever you post an article there, it will go viral, targeting Taiwan countries. All right, and even Quora, same thing. All right, Quora is a question and answer platform. All right, so for this Facebook, almost everybody is on Facebook worldwide. I mean, almost everybody and a lot of person. What they do with Facebook majorly is to post their picture, get likes, which they don't get paid in return. So if you have a wider audience, like if you've got a lot of followers or maybe friends on Facebook, you should turn them to your customers. All right, you should turn them to your customers, and turning them to your customers means making a whole lot of money from them instead of just posting your picture, your videos, and all of those rubbish in the name of fun. Why not catch fun while making money? All right, you can just combine the two. You'll be catching fun, then you'll be making money. Use the timeline well, and you'll be able to make money on Facebook. And you can use your pages on Facebook as well to run paid ads. All right, so Facebook is one of the platforms you can make a whole lot of money from. Okay, you can use it to make a whole lot of money from affiliate marketing. You share your links on your wall, and you make a whole lot of money. And the second one there, which is Medium. All right, if you are a good writer, and let me say you're a good copywriter, all right, if you're a good copywriter and you know how to go about your writing, this is a perfect platform for you to promote your affiliate links to Taiwan countries. Like if you are on Amazon Associates, all right, the best place to target is US, UK, and some of those Taiwan countries. All right, so targeting some of those Taiwan countries, all right, targeting some of those Taiwan countries means sales. All right, when it is birthday, you promote birthday gifts. When it is Valentine, you promote Valentine gifts and all of those stuff, and you will keep making a whole lot of money from affiliates. All right, from Amazon to be precise. Okay, so all you need to do is just to start writing. Okay, start writing in the sense that you can just sign up an account or sign in an account with Gmail, Facebook. You have Apple and Twitter, and you have that of Microsoft. All right, you can use either of these to sign up with Medium, and when you sign up with Medium, you get your account. So long as you can write an SEO optimized content on Medium, you are sure to make a whole lot of money from affiliate marketing without paying a dime. All right, you won't be paying a dime. You will be able to make a whole lot of money so long as your article will go viral. When your article go viral, you are the surest. Like, can I say, yeah. Making money will be sure for you. You sure make money from this, all right? So all you need to do is just sign up an account with Medium. When you sign up an account with Medium, then you register with Amazon Associate. When you register with Amazon Associate, you pick a niche, whether you're going for electronics, birthday gifts, some of those stuffs. Just pick a niche that you'll be working with for better result, all right, for better conversion. Okay, you can use that, or maybe you use one of these hosting companies. Some of these hosting companies also have affiliates. So also have affiliates which you can be promoting their offer whenever people buy hosting, domain, SSL certificates, and all of this stuff from them. You get paid as well. All right, so there are lots of other method you can use to make money. All right, other free traffic method you can use to make money on from affiliate marketing. All right, so the third on our list, which is Quora is a place to gain and share knowledge. Do you know why they use gain and share knowledge? In the sense that you ask questions there and you can answer questions. All right, if you are logical enough, all right, if you're logical enough, you should know that you can use that opportunity of answering questions on Quora. All right, that opportunity to embed your affiliate link and you make money. All right, let's assume someone is asking about web hosting. Okay, let's assume you have an account already, but let's assume someone is asking about web hosting and you are partnering with hosting there, or maybe Namecheap, Interserver, some of those Bluehost. Maybe you have their affiliate link. You can just write about Bluehost. answering the question you answer correctly, make sure it's in long form, then you embed your affiliate link. All right, just embed your affiliate link, and when you embed your affiliate link, you get paid for every task you perform there. All right, you get paid whenever people subscribe or maybe buy a domain or buy anything. All right, okay, here is this. You got to ask about affiliates. When you type affiliate, you will see something like affiliate marketing. Okay, here is Amazon. I think they're the most popular in the market. When it comes to affiliate marketing, they are the most popular, and as the most popular, I think they won't compromise anything. They act the right way, and everything they do is the right thing. Okay, so what you should do is just to click on the questions they ask about them. You share it, you share your idea, and you embed your affiliate link, and that's automatic money for you. All right, it's automatic money. You will get commission for doing what you're not expected to do, like they thought you're going to be answering just question and you go away, but for Quora, whenever you answer question in a short form and you embed link, you are likely to be banned. All right, so your answers should be in long form, or your questions should be in long form. All right, so please, in case you're new to this our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we are going to be pushing lots and lot of articles like this your ways. All right, get notified whenever we drop new content.